Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Dare to believe. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 26, NASDAQ off 10, S&P's down 3, gold contract up $8.40, trading at $1,238 an ounce. Silver up 9 cents at $16.99 an ounce. Platinum up $5 at $1,014 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.25 a pound. Light sweet crude down 88 cents, trading at $42.85 a barrel. Bonds, we had the 10-year note down 5 ticks. 129.10, 30-year bond off 23 ticks, 161.24. King dollar down 290 ticks, 94.79. The euro is up 39, trading at $1.12, and the yen was down 56, trading at $1.11. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We look at this cash S&P. What we had last week is that we had a failure on volume and on price on the weekly charts. So we got to 2104, actually 2111 last week. 2104, that's what it was testing. Failed on price, failed on volume. We have out here today, bottom line, you have light volume. We pull this back on a daily basis for a second. What you're going to see is you're going to see a rejection of lower price with light volume. So you did 60 million shares. Friday you did 99 million. We're at 208.61. That's saying, hey, intraday tomorrow, I suspect you can get into 209.39, somewhere in there. Actually, hold on one second. 207. Yeah, 208. Yeah, you can get into that area. You can get into the lows of the highs. And I do expect that it's not going to get anywhere, but bottom line, right now, we got to lower price. You had lighter volume. You rejected lower price. That's saying you can get the SPYs can get higher. The Qs are a different ballgame. The NDX 100 went down Friday, monster volume. You went down with 39 million shares. You did sideways today with 14 million. That, to me, is still saying it wants dramatically lower price. I suspect the next move on the NDX 100 or the 3 Qs would be 105.86. What you're going to have out here tomorrow is that tomorrow night after the close at 4:30, well, actually, it doesn't say 4:30 now. Well, we'll see when it's going to be out. Bottom line, after the close tomorrow, Apple's coming out with numbers. Apple's trading out here at a price point of 105.08. That baby looks to me like you're going to have lower price coming at it. So Apple is going to be the mover in the market after the close tomorrow night. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, folks, is building cars for higher price. We did contract value today of 115,000 contracts. The high volume swing high out here is 1287. Right now we're at 1238. Last Thursday you ran up to 1272. It failed on price. It got the volume going. It went to 1272, ended up closing that day at 1250. You know, when you get higher price with higher volume, you can back off, but guess what? You go right back topside. Gold has been building costs for quite some time right now, meaning the gold contract since the 11th of February. Silver. What is silver indicating? Silver really gave us some nice information last week, and what it was is this. We got to a price point of $17.72. Monster volume in the silver market. When we got up to that price point, we did 142,000 contracts. Now, out here today, which is pretty cool, is that we went up 9 cents, but we did 61,000 contracts. That also is a decent move inside the silver contract. If we take the silver contract and we put this on a continuous basis, what you're going to see is this. It took quite some time for the silver contract to get away from the $16 area. It kept going up to that level. Sellers were there on a continual basis. Then what ends up happening, it just gets up and over that area. And it looks to me that silver basically wants to run into not just the 1760 area, but 1850 is game on silver. So I suspect what we're going to see out here is that the silver contract more than likely is going to lead the gold contract higher. The oil market, what do we have with oil? Oil right now, folks, we did 600,000 contracts, 591,000 contracts today. Oil right now looks like we're at $42.86. 41.66 is game, 39 is game. So this is going to be intriguing watching this oil contract come into those levels. Because if you get an expansion of volume, which we did today, it's subtle, but you know that would basically bring it down to the lowest swing point, which is $39. What that would do inside the gold, inside the oil and oil service stocks, that would bring that to lower price. The note market, what do we have with the 10-year notes? Okay, so we have the Fed meeting, starts tomorrow, goes until Wednesday, 2 o'clock Wednesday, announcement. No press conference, just an announcement of what they're going to do. Bottom line, what I expect you're going to see out here, or maybe there is a press conference. I got to check that out. 129.10 we're at. 128.01 is the high volume swing low for March 16th. That's where this baby looks like it's heading. And what that's saying to me is that that's saying, guess what? No rate hike this time. In fact, the probability of a rate hike inside the Fed futures market is 0. You know, in June, it's 23% now. That's June 15th. July 27th is 34%. September 21st, rather, that's 48%. And then November 2nd, that's when it goes over 50%. It's 52.9%. So bottom line is that the betting inside the market of which way Fed futures are going all the way up to November before there's a 50-50 chance that it wants higher price. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, is still building cause to get into lower price. King dollar out here is trading at a price point of $94.79. You did 14,000 contracts, which is low volume, by the way, you know, as you pull back. But what you have is that King dollar just can't seem to get its bid into a higher price point. So we have two numbers that looks like King dollar is going after. The first one is $92.50. That's the high volume swing low from August 24th. The second one is an ABC structure on the way down. That ABC structure on the way down has a price point of $92.30. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some numbers for you. Dow Industrials closed down 26. NASDAQ off 10. S&P's off 2.5. We're going to break back.